What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to go over all the aftermarket parts and accessories I have put on my four-wheeler to make it look the way it does now. Right here we have a 2019 Polaris Sportsman 570 EFI with on-demand all-wheel drive, and if you're wondering, the color is sage green. And on my four-wheeler I put ITP Hurricane matte black wheels, 14x7. And the front tires are Tusk Terabytes 26x9 by R14s. And the rears are 26x11 R14 Tusk Terabytes. And down here we have an all-top winch hook. This is the most recent thing I've added to this. I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm hoping it works. It doesn't break. And on the front of my four-wheeler, I've changed all the headlight bulbs from halogens to LEDs, low beams, and high beams. That's all for this video. I haven't added many aftermarket parts and accessories. I'd like to add more, but the wheels and tires look great, the headlights look great. I like the new bulbs, the LEDs. They look really nice and bright. But anyways, leave a comment of what you think. Thank you for watching the video, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.